Good morning, students. Look here. The question number B is here. Complete the sentence by using should or shouldn't. Then match the sentences havers. Okay. Look here. That means we have to complete this sentence and then we have to match these two columns. Okay. Okay. The first example is here. You shouldn't watch TV every night, and that is we have to match the pairs because it will make you lazy. Okay, according to sentence meaning you can match the next result. Okay, or that is the reason because. Okay, that shows the reason because it will make you lazy. First complete this blank and then you have to match the next one. Okay, look here. The first sentence is here. You dash go to bed after 10 on a school night. Okay, you dash go to bed after 10 on a school night, and here you can put should. Okay, the sentence meaning you should go to bed after 10 on a school night. Okay, and that the reason you can, that means because you learn better after a long sleep. Okay, that is the next one you can match with that one. Okay, now the third sentence is here. Okay, we dash look after the environment. Okay, you can write here should. We should look after the environment. First we complete these charts and then we can match these pairs. Okay, we should look after the environment. Now the third sentence is here. We dash go for walk every day. So we can use here also should. We should go for walk every day. Now fourth one is here. We dash learn English and other languages. Okay, so here we also use that is should. We should learn English and other languages. Now six is also, fifth one is also we should. Okay, here is should be small. Okay, you should eat fruit and vegetables every day. Now the sixth one, you dash buy your grandmother a nice birthday present. So you should. Here we can also use that. And the next one is you dash get the bus home today. Okay, you should. According to sentence meaning, we use here should. Now these are the sentence. First we can read this and then after we can match the pairs. Okay, because it will be useful when we travel to other countries. And the second one is because she is always good to you. The second one. Then next one, because it's going to rain. Because it's going to rain. Now the next one is because you learn better after a long sleep. Okay, now the next one is here because it is important for our future. And next one is because it is a make you lazy. We already matched that with the first one. The second one is, or next one is because they are full of vitamins. And next, because fresh air is good for us. Okay, we can match this now. Okay, look here, the first one. We already matched. You should go to bed after 10 on a school night because you learn better after a long sleep. Okay, now the next one is here. We should look after the environment. Okay, because it is important for our future. That is the result. Why we should look after the environment? Because it is important for our future, and you can match with this one. Are you getting that? Important for future. This one. Now third sentence is here. We should go for a walk every day. Okay, we go for walk every day. That means it is result because fresh air is good for us. Okay, that is the result. So you can match here like this. Okay, we should go for walk every day because fresh air is good for us. That is the reason, and we can match that pairs. Okay, now the next one is here. we should learn English and other language because it will be useful when we travel to other countries. So that we have to learn English and other languages. So you can match this one to that one. Okay? Are you getting that? From we should learn English and other languages to because it will be useful when we travel to other countries. Now the next sentence is here. Okay, you should eat fruit and vegetables every day. Okay, you should eat fruit and vegetables every day because look here, because they are full of vitamins. Are you getting that? The fifth one is here and you can match this one. Okay, you should eat fruit and vegetables every day because they are full of vitamins. Now the next one is here. You should buy your grandmother a nice birthday present. Okay, and you can match this one to this. Okay, look here, because she is always good to you. Because she is always good to you. That is the reason. Okay, you should buy your grandmother a nice birthday present because she is always good to you. Now the last one is here. You should get the bus home today because it's going to rain. Are you getting that? This one we can match here. Okay, the last one is here. Okay, in this way you can complete this blank with the help of should, this model auxiliary, and also match the pairs. The remaining part of these lessons you can or we can see in later.